In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix voice chat here on GTA 5. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And voice chat can actually break here in GTA 5 for a bunch of different reasons, but there's one fix that does seem to work for every single one of them, and it is pretty easy overall to do. Begin by actually opening up your interaction menu first and scrolling down on your interaction menu until you see the preferences tab right here. Select it and go to the voice chat option and make sure that it is set to whatever you want it to, as long as it's set to anything but no one. You have the option of crew and friends, crew, and then of course everyone. I recommend just setting this to everyone, but of course you can go ahead and change that accordingly to match whatever setting you want. From here, go ahead and open up your settings by opening up the pause menu and scrolling over to settings. Once you're on these settings though, scroll down and you're going to want to start in the voice chat tab. Select it and you're going to see voice chat enabled just like so. Go ahead and make sure this is turned on. For the output device, go ahead and make sure that it is set to your current headphones, whatever they might be. And for the voice chat volume, go ahead and turn it up a little bit. For some reason, these always end up getting turned down. Scroll down to the talking tab and make sure your microphone is enabled as well. And for the input device, make sure it is selected to, whatever your microphone might be. And for the voice chat mode, make sure it is set to voice activated rather than push to talk, unless you want to push a button beforehand, and you can adjust that if you scroll down a little bit more. But for the microphone volume section right here, essentially go ahead and just make sure this is turned up as well. When you go ahead and do that, you can back out of all of these settings, and once you actually do back out, you'll notice that your voice chat will be working again. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out, lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.